Hello everyone, this is Divyansh from Divi Online Classes, and today I am going to go through how you can uh, obtain your AI 900 certification. What is AI 900? Artificial Intelligence Fundamental Certifications. Okay, so I will go through each topic, how you can prepare your exam, what all topics it will cover, how many questions will be there. All these questions I'll try to answer in this video. So what we will learn in this, I'll explain about the artificial intelligence fundamental certification, what is the syllabus, what is the material details, and the type of questions and some sample questions. Okay. So about artificial intelligence certification, AI 900, we already know it is a fundamental level certification for artificial intelligence provided by Microsoft. It is designed for cloud architects or the developers to boost their proficiency in AI and ML applications. So the developers who are working in the AI and ML area, they can get this certification easily. What is the cost for the certification in USD? It is $99. However, you can also avail this examination for free of cost by attending the Microsoft Azure virtual training days. Okay. So I will provide the link for registration, how you can register yourself for this examination using the this site, event site. I will provide the link for that, and you can attend one of the training. Okay, and then they will provide you the free of cost, you can say, the voucher. When you will apply that, uh, the exam will be free of cost. Okay, so I'll provide those details to you. So there will be 53 approximately questions. Someone get 51, someone get 52, 53, and that you need to complete those questions in 60 minutes. And I think 60 minutes are sufficient. If you have having the knowledge, you just need to choose the correct answer and move on to the next questions. For this exam, you will go through the self-paced learning provided by Microsoft. I will provide this link also in the description box. So what all topics you have to cover is basically the chatbot service. What is a chatbot service? What is Q&A maker? What is LUIS, language understanding model? Okay, all these services you need to understand. What is the regression, classification, clustering? In case of machine learning, you need to understand all those topics, right? What is the difference between computer vision and the custom vision? Okay, and how you can use the custom vision with your own images. You can uh, train the model by yourself. Okay, now understanding the principle of responsible AI. There are 5 principles for responsible artificial intelligence. You will get to know, and the scenario they have, the scenario in which principle will be applicable. Okay, then this is the syllabus. AI workload and consideration, fundamental principle of machine learning, features of computer vision, features of natural language processing, right? So all these topics you have to cover one by one. Okay. Now let me walk you through the AI 900 course provided by Microsoft. Okay. So this is the area where you can schedule your exam. Okay, and the price for this exam, as I already mentioned, the price of the exam is in Indian currency. It is 3696 INR. Okay. Now let me just so I'll just cover what all topics are there. You can see I have already completed all the course. Even I have already completed my certification. Okay. So this is the area. Now this contains the two modules. Okay. Now this get started with AI on artificial intelligence on Azure. It contains introduction to AI, machine learning, anomaly detection, computer vision, NLP, conversational AI, challenge and rescue the AI, understanding the responsible AI, and then some of the questions. Okay, so we have to go through each topic one by one. Okay, similarly this contains these many four modules. Okay, so you have to go through each module. uh, this is the use automatic machine learning and Azure machine learning. So what all features Azure machine learning provides, right? How you can train the machine learning model, how you can deploy the model as a service. Okay, and then okay, so this is how in this topic how you can create the compute resources, export data, train the machine learning, deploy as a service. I think this I already covered in this. Uh, there are various kind of algorithms in machine learning, so you have to learn about those. What is machine learning designer? How you can what is classification model? Okay, you have to go through each of the topic. Okay. Now, what I was referring earlier, yeah, computer vision, how you can use the computer vision service, what is custom vision, and what is the difference between the computer vision and the custom vision service. Okay, how you can detect the analyze the faces with the face service. Okay, this is the read text from the computer vision service from the OCR technology, right? Reading the text from the out of the image. What is a form recognizer service? Okay, so all these topics you have to, and this is finally the bot Q&A maker and the Azure bot service. Okay, how you can create the Q&A maker, how you can integrate the language understanding LUIS model. Okay, with the Azure bot service. So this is how. Let me open it. So it contains the query maker and the creative bot and then the knowledge check. So basic study for each of the topic you can do from here. Okay, and then you can apply for the exam and you can get your certification. Okay. Okay, so these are some sample questions which you will get in your AI 900 exam. First question is: a company employs a team of customer service agents to provide telephone and email support to customers. The company develops a web chat bot to provide automated answers to common customer queries. Which business benefit should the company expect as a result of creating the web chat bot solution? So here you are having three uh, scenarios. First one is A, increase sales, B, a reduced workload for customer service agents, C, improved product reliability. So obviously B will be the correct answer. Okay. Second question is for a machine learning progress, how should you split data for training and evaluation? So in this case, the correct answer is D. We have to randomly split the data into columns for training and columns for evaluation. Third question is which service should you use to extract text, key value pairs, table data automatically from scanned documents. Okay, it's from scanned documents. If you want to retrieve all this data, then you have to use the form recognizer, right? computer vision service. Now, fourth question is which metric can you use to evaluate a classification model? So, the answer is true positive rate. Okay, and each and everything once you'll go through this course, which I just explained earlier, you will get to know the answers for these questions correctly, and then I think you can easily clear this exam. In case if you need any help or any questions, please comment me out. I will definitely get back to you. Thank you very much.